it was amazing 4 days, 2 days of lecture and 2 days of practice in the surgery. And I want to say thank you for all our teachers. They give their best for us. I thought even they give all of them for us on the knowledge. And I think this course is very good for starters and very good for practitioners that are already do the plastic surgery or something not surgery. So it's very good. I've got a lot of knowledge. I had answers for a lot of my questions. So thank you very much again.
Hello, I'm Dr. Predrag Mitrovic from Serbia, Belgrade, and I'm first time in this course. Very satisfied with this comprehensive program, as theoretical as practical hands-on. 4 days with so many knowledge, new for me because I'm new in this field. Even I practiced gynecology for a long time, and this will really help me to change my point of view and to solve many problems for my patients.
Merhaba, böyle değerli bir kursa katıldığım için çok mutluyum. Süleyman Eserlağ ve ekibine çok teşekkür ediyorum. Gerçekten hiçbir şekilde çekinmeden her türlü bildiklerini, her türlü tecrübelerini bizimle paylaştılar. Bu bence çok değerliydi. Ben bundan sonraki bilgilerimi çok güzel kullanacağımı düşünüyorum. Hepsine tekrardan çok teşekkür ediyorum.
I'm Dr. Dorshin. I am from Diyarbakır, Turkey. We were in here 4 days. We have done 8 hours lessons each of day. So it was a very intensive course, and I am very thankful to the Dr. Süleyman for this educational program. I have learned a lot about this area, genital aesthetic. So thank you very much. That's all.